InterSystems Cloud Services let you manage your data in the cloud and take advantage of easily scalable storage and compute resources without on-premises infrastructure. To connect your application to these services, you can use the flexible, secure, and high-performance driver technologies that come with InterSystems Cloud Services. Whether you are working with Java, C++, .NET, or Python, the process follows the same general steps. To establish a connection, you will need a development environment, the relevant connection driver or library, a connection string, and the self-signed X509 certificate downloaded from your service. As you start connecting your application, make sure your environment includes the necessary dependencies. InterSystems provides connection drivers and libraries for Java, C++, .NET, and Python through industry-standard channels such as Maven and NuGet. You can find instructions for downloading these in the documentation for each language. To connect your application, you'll need to create a connection string with key details about your cloud deployment, including the host or IP address, port number, and database or namespace you want to access. You will also need authentication credentials, including a username and password. You can find these details on the Deployment Overview page in the Cloud Services portal. On this page, you will also need to download a TLS certificate, as TLS encryption is required for all external connections to InterSystems Cloud Services. Configuring your connection to use a TLS certificate helps protect data transmissions. It also safeguards your cloud-based applications against unauthorized access. Note that the certificate is specific to your deployment, and you may need to register it in a local certificate store for use in establishing a connection, depending on the driver technology used. Once your environment is set up and you have your connection details, you can establish the connection using the appropriate method for your programming language. The documentation provides step-by-step instructions for implementing connections in each language. With your connection established, your application will be able to interact with InterSystems Cloud Services, enabling secure data exchange and integration with other systems. For step-by-step instructions on connecting with Java, C++, .NET, or Python, visit InterSystems documentation. There, you'll find detailed guidance on setting up your connection and working with InterSystems Cloud Services in your preferred language.